is Shafiqovia Servia, number 33 from class 11 counting 2. And here I will tell you about blood moon. Blood moon. A blood moon is the popular name for a total lunar eclipse, a celestial event where the moon turns a deep reddish color. This phenomenon occurs when the earth passes directly between the sun and the moon, casting a shadow across the lunar surface. What causes a blood moon? A blood moon's striking color is a result of Rayleigh scattering, the same scientific principle that makes Earth's sky appear blue and our sunrise and sunsets red. During a total lunar eclipse, the moon is completely within the Earth's darkest shadow, known as the umbra. However, it does not disappear from view. Instead, the only sunlight reaching the moon first passes through Earth's atmosphere. As this sunlight filters through our atmosphere, the shorter, bluer wavelengths of light are scattered away. The longer red and orange wavelengths pass through, get being refracted, and are projected onto the moon's surface. This process gives the moon its characteristic crimson glow. The exact shade of red can vary depending on atmospheric conditions, such as the amount of dust, volcanic ash, or clouds in Earth's air. Viewing a blood moon. Unlike a solar eclipse, a blood moon is entirely safe to observe with the naked eye. No special equipment is needed, though binoculars or a telescope can provide a more detailed view of the lunar surface during the event. The best conditions for viewing are a clear, cloudless sky and a location with minimal light pollution. Historical and cultural significance. For centuries before the scientific explanation was widely understood, blood moons were often viewed as omens. Different cultures interpret the event in various ways, from signs of divine anger to celestial battles. In some historical accounts, like that of Christopher Columbus, knowledge of a coming lunar eclipse was even used to manipulate people. However, today, a blood moon is celebrated as a predictable and beautiful astronomical event, a stunning reminder of the mechanics of our solar system. For centuries, a total lunar eclipse or blood moon has been a source of fascination, fear, and wonder, inspiring a rich tapestry of myths and folklore across different cultures. Before modern science offered an explanation for the moon's sudden change in color, people developed stories to make sense of the celestial event, often viewing it as omen or a supernatural occurrence. The moon under attack. One of the most common myths is that a celestial creature is attacking or devouring the moon. This belief often led to rituals designed to scare the monster away and save the moon. Inca, South America. The Inca believed a lunar eclipse was caused by a jaguar attacking and eating their moon's goddess, Mamaquilla. The red color was thought to be the moon's blood. To frighten the jaguar away, people would shoot bang drums, and encourage their dogs to howl. Chinese. Ancient Chinese cultures believed a dragon was fighting the moon. To save it, people would make loud noises by banging drums and ringing bells. This belief was so deeply ingrained that in the 16th years old century, the Chinese Navy would even fire its artillery during a lunar eclipse. Hindu India. In Hindu mythology, the demon Rahu is said to swallow the moon as revenge. Rahu was disappointed by the good Vishnu, but because he had already consumed the nectar of immortality, his head became immortal. During an eclipse, his head devours the moon, but since he has no body, the moon soon reapers. Omens of misfortune. In many cultures, a blood moon was seen as a bad omen, a sign of impending disaster, war, or famine. Mesopotamians. The ancient Mesopotamians were skilled astronomers and could predict eclipses with some accuracy. They believed a lunar eclipse was an attack on the moon, which was linked to their king. To protect the king from harm, they would hide him and appoint a substitute ruler to face the potential wrath of the gods. After the eclipse passed, the real king would resume his position. Biblical prophecy. In Christianity, the blood moon is a trend that gained modern popularity from religious purposes. Passages in the Old and New Testament describe the moon coming to blood as a sign of the end times or the great and terrible day of Lord. Other common superstition. Many superstition and folk belief persist today, often passed down through generations, despite a lack of scientific evidence. Pregnancy and health. In various cultures, it is believed that a lunar eclipse can be harmful to pregnant women and their newborn children. Superstition include avoiding going outdoors, using sharp objects, or eating to prevent birth defects or other health problems. Food and water contamination. Some traditions hold that food and water become poison or impure during a lunar eclipse and should not be consumed. Bad luck. The event is often linked to general bad luck, misfortune, and natural disasters such as earthquakes and floods. While science has explained the beauty of a blood moon, these myths and tradition remain a fascinating part of human history, reflecting our ancestors' attempts to understand and find meaning in the mysteries of the cosmos.